During my studies, I was very worried about the kind of career that I'm gonna go for after I graduate.
One of the great things about studying at CU is that the lecturers themselves are specialists within their field, and they often have worked in the industry, so they can offer guidance and advice to what you want to do in the future.
Not only do you have experience within the classroom, but you also manage to make connections and links outside the classroom. You get a great view and a great understanding of the industry, as opposed to just being in the classroom.
Not to mention the fact that there is support as well to do with all your employability needs, which is the talent team.
I remember putting so much pressure on myself. Fortunately, the CU group has a talent team, which is basically a group of amazing and helpful professionals that are there to always support and help. Career advice, internship opportunities, placement opportunities, links with industry leaders. These amazing people actually helped me to find my own internship.
These people are dedicated to making sure that you have the right cover letters, CV, to then really bust down the door and really show what you have so that you can get the job that you really want, or whatever sort of thing that you wanted to do after studying at CU.
It's really encouraging to know that 97% of the students go on to be employed or go into further education. So knowing that is really reassuring.
It allowed me to go into placement, which helped me determine where I wanted my career to go, enable for me to put something on my CV which will help me get a job in the future. I recommend anyone to do the same. It's so rewarding.